just got to the creek. Just put my wading socks on and my waders. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. I'm up here in beautiful Pennsylvania today. It's a little snowy out, 22 degrees, says it feels like 9, I guess, with the breeze kicking. And I'm back at the creek me and Jens fished about 2 weeks ago. It was the last video that I posted, and we got flooded out last time, but it looked like it really had some good spots that would hold some trout, so I decided to come back today. It's Martin Luther King Day, and hopefully there won't be any people out here since it's a holiday. But last time we were here, we didn't see anybody. It was really nice, besides the water rising. So let's get on some trout. Start the day throwing this black and yellow vibrate. All right, we need this sun to come up here. This ice is ridiculous right now. Look at this. Look at this. The waders have ice on them. Trout of the day, and it's a small one. There's one. I saw him eat it. It's a better one. Hey, buddy. Okay. A little pattern going here. And this little pink lunker worm. It's working pretty good. Just caught 2 in a row on it. Whoa, this is mucky. Oh, I'm sinking. Oh my God, I'm sinking. Oh, oh God. There's one. Okay, we got a pattern. They're on the bottom. They are on the bottom. Come here. All right, that one was on the mouse tail. And the only fish I've caught today were on the bottom baits. I had one flash and then nip at my rooster tail once, but okay, I just caught my 3rd fish of the day, and it was on a bottom bait. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this rooster tail off my other rod, put a bottom bait on this one too. So I have 2 bottom baits, different styles, and see what happens. There's one. Okay, that's 2 fish back to back on the bottom. We have figured a pattern out, folks.
Got him. Oh! He ate it right in front of me. It was a nice jump.
Sweet! You definitely figured them out here. Got him. I'm watching them eat it right in front of me every time. It's so cool. The water's so clear. Love it. Oh, pop right out too. All right. I think this is 5 or 6. Turn it around for me, folks. Take a look at that. Oh man, that looks good. There's the first rainbow of the day. It's not a big one, but it's decent.
Fish.
Come here. Come here, buddy. Okay. There's a quality trout there. I thought it was snagged. He just picked it up. It didn't even feel like a bite. He just picked it up. Nice trout. Biggest one of the day. Rainbow. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That is a tank. That is a tank. Come here. Come here. Come here. Let's go, baby. Let's freaking go. Woo! Look at the size of that rainbow. Let me get you back real quick. All right, there's the biggest fish of the day. A nice rainbow. It's a nice size rainbow out of this little creek. There's another one. Oh. Up in the net you go, buddy. Okay, there's another smaller rainbow there. I think this is number 10 or so. Something like that. I'm kind of hiding behind this rock right here. There's some big trout over here and I just can't get the bite. I don't know if I'm standing up on this rock and I'm spooking them. So I'm gonna hang back here. A couple casts. All my waders fill up with water. There he is. I knew it. If I hid behind this rock, I knew it. I knew I'd get him. Oh, it's a nice one. Come here. Come here, bud. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That's the brown I was looking for. So I just caught this nice brown that I've been after for probably about the last hour. He ran after my swim bait and swiped at it a couple times. And like I said, I was hiding behind this rock here. I just landed him. It's a nice one. Let's get a better look. There you go. There's a nice look there. Quick wrap up for the day. Just finished fishing. It was a pretty good day. Started out slow. Getting a little nervous there. But I did find a pattern. Started drifting some stuff on the bottom. That worked out really good for me. Hooked into some good fish, some quality fish. And got some good numbers too. I guess maybe 12 or 15, somewhere in that range. I'll have to look at the video to see for sure, but I did pretty good. I'm happy. I might come back here tomorrow, so stay tuned.